Anti-ghosting mechanical keyboards. Compatible games and office mechanical touch. This mechanical gaming keyboard adopts anti-ghosting technology that each key is controlled by independent mechanical switch. Let you enjoy high-grade games with fast response. This gaming keyboard great for gamers, typist, programmer, writer etc. 21 LED BACKLIT MODES KEYBOARD. This colors LED USB wired gaming keyboard has 21 different lighting modes, lighting like RGB gaming keyboard. Customized adjustment for intensity and lighting for special game demand. Press FN+END to start and save recording. Mechanical blue switches. Giving you a clicky and tactile feedback. Sounded like Cherry Mix gaming keyboard. This gaming keyboard provides great tactile feel, sensitive and responsive. 0.50 million times keystroke test, 60 plus or minus 15 grams keystroke force and 4.0 plus or minus 0.2 millimeters keystroke travel. Perfect for professional PC gamers and typists. Ergonomic mechanical gaming keyboard. Compact dimensions size down the entire gaming keyboard and navigate it easily. This gaming keyboard can also save the space on your desk. Ergonomic arc and slope. When you use this wired USB gaming keyboard, your hands are not easily get fatigue. Durability and compatibility. Aviation aluminum alloy panel, slip design. Floating keycaps with unique bicolor mold injection for durable. Made of top-grade ABS and metal material with matte finish texture, it is sturdy and robust and splash-proof design. The gaming keyboard support computer system including Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Macintosh Mac OS X, Windows XP, Windows Vista, etc. Top reviews from the United States. I got lucky when I bought this. I wish I could find another one. The most important thing to know is it is still working great in July 2021. Purchased and used heavily since Sept 2017. Reviews on different keyboards vary widely and it is very hard for me to pick out my next model.